14. Addition without carryover. The addition means to add a numbers in number. Now we'll learn how to sum without carryover. Sum of two digits which is less than 9. Now let's learn how do we from this example. 4 plus 2 equal to how many? There are 4 units. So they are right in the place of unit. And 2 are also units. So 2 also right in unit place. Now count two numbers from number 4. Then get answer 5, 6, which means 4 plus 2 equals 6. 6 also are unit. So write it in the place of unit. Are you got it? How to sum without carryover? Now let's solve the next example. 5 plus 3 equals how many? 5 plus 3 equals 8. 6 plus 2 equals how many? 6 plus 2 equals 8. 5 plus 4 equals how many? 5 plus 4 equals 9. As well as 4 plus 4 equal to, tell how many? Correct. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 3 plus 6 equal to how much will come? 3 plus 6 equal to 9. From these examples we learned how to sum as one single digit number. Now let's learn how to add or sum two-digit numbers. Two-digit number means tens and unit number. Those numbers are written in tens and unit place. Example, in 23, number 2 are right tens place and write 3 in units place. Now let's learn 23 plus 12 equals how much and how to write it. 23 equals 2 tens, 3 units, and 12 equals 1 tens, 2 units. In such a way, form the numbers in tens and units numbers. Now let's sum. First, you have to add digits of the numbers of units place. Means 3 plus 2 equals 5. These 5 write in answers unit place. Now the sum of tens place. 2 plus 1 equals 3. These 3 write in answers tens place, which means 23 plus 12 equals 35. Have you noticed? Let's solve the following examples. 23 plus 32 equals 55. 24 plus 3 equals 27. 12 plus 36 equals 48. And 47 plus 41 equals 88. In this way, you add one digits and two-digit numbers and show to your teacher.